As a future operation management professional, the effectively communicating verbally is crucial to success. In today's topic, I'm going to explain the importance of embodying adequate strategy, a strategic approach to communicating verbally, and how will this foster and strengthen healthy relationship and improve yourself as an effective communicator. So, first thing important of embodying strategic approach is to know your audience and adapt your message, tone, and language to your audience.